Chief Minister Nongpong Birane and other political leaders send heartiest New Year's greetings to everyone. '88th Nupilal Celebration Month organized by Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur concludes with patriotic fervor. And Army Chief General Bipin Rawat becomes India's first Chief of Defence Staff. General Manoj Mukund Naravane takes charge as 28th Chief of Army Staff. Hello and welcome to Impact News, your watching afternoon news. I'm Beto Talk with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongpong Birane has wished everyone a very happy and prosperous New Year 2020. In his greetings, the Chief Minister said that the year 2019 has been a year of progress and historical landmark for Manipur. He said several positive changes have been brought into the state, like extension of inner line permit system, progress in health, education, welfare and infrastructure sectors. Birane said the new year is a time not only for celebration but also a time to shed off bad routines. He wished that 2020 will be a year of renewed hope and confidence to face challenges towards progress. President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC M. Okendro and former Deputy Chief Minister cum CWC member Gaikangam in different press releases extended New Year's 2020 greetings to people of the state. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, DESAM, has met its New Year's resolution to uproot corruption prevailing in the state's education sector. It has decided to look into the misappropriation of 43 lakh rupees funds sanctioned by the UGC for the physical department of Manipur University as its first step. DESAM President Salama Khas declared the same at the annual event titled Meet the Media Fraternity, organized by DESAM every year on December 31 today. Akas asserted that DESAM has been striving earnestly to enhance the state's education sector since its inception. He also declared that DESAM will take a resolution regarding the Citizenship Amendment Act in consultation with the public. DESAM also presented gifts to media persons who attended the event held at DESAM office in Kwaketal.
Mediana more than 70% miyamgi movement sigi momentum amadi miyamgi movement sigi masakasi mayon chummi aduna lobu yara badumba matam mo oire esnamagi pillar singi marakta media su pillar amani kaidna maduda hapsalak badugi madudagi reference lorkanda aikoina pai hajin banataba manipur gi taseng masakasi da base torkana yeng matamda media bisi yam maruiba yaudu sungya magyadaba aduga mioibagi mindset mioibagi wakhalon phawrga leiramba wakhalon amadi ngahak mikup amagi matungda karam wakhalon anauba phawrkada ge habisi media gi khutta pawdam biriba isinau sing pawmi isinau sing gi khutta yam song leire heduna thamjage.
A team of Thobal Commando arrested 4 suspected cadres of prescribed KYKL today. The team, led by ASP Operations Sachidananda Soibam under the supervision of Thobal SP Dr. S. Ibomcha, arrested them at Tata Magic Parking of Thobal Wangmataba. The arrested persons are 27-year-old Leisangthem Mamujao Maitai, son of Led Joy from Thobal, Leisangthem; 18-year-old Sadokpam Nongpok Nganba, son of Kauremba from Panjakong Maning Lekai; 21-year-old Kangimba Mathoy, son of Manglemba from Samaran Mayai Lekai; and 20-year-old Mayang Lambam Koiraba, son of Ingocha from Kakching Kunau Awang Lekai. They have been handed over to Thobal Police Station for further investigations. Culture Presentation Center, Imphal, Maitrabag, Manipur, Pauna Kaithel organized Maichau Remembrance Day at Gandhi Memorial Hall, Imphal today. Chairperson of Mayang Imphal Municipal Council Asim Radhamani, Secretary of Smart Universal Academy, and Sanjay, National and State Awardee in Pisciculture as Surchandra, and other eminent persons attended the event. Gifts were presented to elderly persons on the occasion. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the valedictory event of 88th Nupilal Celebration Month. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Afternoon News. 88th Nupilal Celebration Month, organized by Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur, concluded at Nupilal Memorial Complex today. The event kicked off with patriotic song performance by artists of Konjal Artists Union. Attendees paid floral tributes to those brave women who fought against the mighty British during the Nupilal movement. Acting Chairperson of Manipur Human Rights Commission Khaidem Mani, renowned social worker R.K. Rameshwar, and members of various women associations affiliated to Nupilal Memorial Association attended the event.
Nupilal Memorial Association sina mathangda lakadaba thoram kyarasu asumba celebration asi sathabiduna sunasumgi historical event ama oina observe tawbugi mahuta amna significance oiba lamdamsigi lakadaba nupi gi khunai chingda tongama role model ama oina hoigi message piba masung lakadaba nupi gi status da amasung nupi gi phibam phagatpada ahongba kya laknaba honabada achoba ithil ama piba ngamnabgi damda asugumba celebration si sahi sa kya kuding sathabangamba osinu Nupilal.
Army Chief General Bipin Rawat has been named the country's first Chief of Defence Staff. CDS will function as a single-point advisor to the government on matters related to the military and will focus on better synergy between the Army, Air Force and the Navy. General Rawat will retire as Army Chief today. The Defence Ministry had recently amended the Army, Air Force and Navy rules by bringing in a new clause that allows the Chief of Defence Staff to serve up to a maximum age of 65 years. Meanwhile, General Manoj Mukund Naravane took charge as the 28th Chief of Army Staff today, succeeding General Bipin Rawat. General Naravane served as Vice Chief of the Army before taking charge of the 1.3 million strong army. In his 37 years of service, General Naravane served in numerous command and staff appointments in peace, field and highly active counter-insurgency environments in Jammu and Kashmir and the Northeast. Before being appointed as Vice Chief of the Army, General Naravane was heading the Army's Eastern Command that takes care of India's nearly 4,000-kilometer border with China. He was also part of the Indian peacekeeping force in Sri Lanka and has served as India's defense attaché at the Indian Embassy in Myanmar for 3 years. He is an alumnus of the National Defense Academy and the Indian Military Academy. The entire state of Nagaland has been declared as a disturbed area for a period of 6 more months under the Armed Forces Special Power Act of ASPA, which empowers security forces to conduct operations anywhere and arrest anyone without any prior notice. In a Gazette notification issued yesterday, Ministry of Home Affairs said the central government is of the opinion that the area comprising the whole state of Nagaland is in such a disturbed and dangerous condition that the use of armed forces in aid of civil power is necessary. Nagaland has been under a FASPA for almost 6 decades now. All Manipur Art and Culture and Sports Development Society held its 19th state level award function at Lamyan Basang Lane in Palace Compound today. Third state level award function for All Manipur Muslim Arts and Culture Organization was also held at the event. Individuals from various communities who have excelled in various fields were felicitated on the occasion. Director in charge of Manipur Khadi and Village Industries Board Lamphilpat H. Suvas, President of All Manipur Art and Culture and Sports Development Society Telem Arun Kumar, Amukok President S. M. Jalal, Amukok President Fairuijam Nandoluwang and many people attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Telem Arun Kumar said that the state-level award function jointly organized by All Manipur Art and Culture and Sports Development Society and All Manipur Muslim Arts and Cultural Organization aimed to unite and foster love among communities in the state.
tongan tongan ba hiram chingchida thabak suminari ba mayam chingche khoi amattu oina punsal lagai khoi nungsi chanana aikoi hingminna bagi puksel khojen tinana hingminna bagi wakhalonda pangtokpa society sigi oiba mana mathum yen bagi thoramni karagumba kangluk kaya kundari ba lamdam asida tongan tongan ba wakhalonda leinaki badu madu dagi khara handhanana ba haiba tai hariba wakhalon sida singchallaga puruk khudi makta magi haijaba sinpamduda athoi ehenba singduda khangatlaga mana pi bagi thoramsi hariba society sina mangdagi chathaduna lai maroi ba pandam chik harmony adagi
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongpoma Biruen and other political leaders send heartiest New Year's greetings to everyone. '88th Nupilal Celebration Month organized by Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur concludes with patriotic fervor. And Army Chief General Bipin Rawat becomes India's first Chief of Defence Staff. General Manoj Mukund Naravani takes charge as 28th Chief of Army Staff.